So you've done an online TEFL certificate, but feel like you need that real classroom experience before you start teaching? No worries. The Destination TEFL Fast Track program is just what you need to teach with confidence, all while soaking up the amazing vibes of Siem Reap, Cambodia. Our Fast Track program gives you the chance to dive right into practical teaching with real students. In just 3 weeks, you'll sharpen your skills and be ready to teach in no time. Here's the best part. Our Fast Track program runs for 3 weeks and costs only $825. This is where you get to roll up your sleeves and teach real students. You'll have the chance to teach different age groups, master classroom management, and deliver lessons that will keep your students engaged and excited to learn. And don't worry, our trainers have your back with feedback to help you grow every step of the way. When you complete this program, you'll leave with classroom confidence, killer lesson planning skills, and hands-on experience that makes you job ready. Employers will love that you've got real teaching practice under your belt, making you stand out from the crowd, and employers often require this experience. Why should you jump on the fast track? In just 3 weeks, you'll be fully prepared to step into the classroom and start teaching. Without hands-on teaching practice, your job options could be limited. Our Fast Track program gives you the practical experience employers are looking for. This program is the ultimate launchpad for your teaching career, unlocking global job opportunities and setting you up for success. Cambodia is booming as a destination for ESL teachers, with a market that offers diverse roles to match your preferences. If you're ready to kickstart your teaching career and explore the world, the Fast Track TEFL program is calling your name.